In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and add background music in Canva. Whether you are polishing a social post or finishing a longer video, managing your audio is key to making it sound professional and intentional. I'll walk you through removing an existing track, adding new music from Canva or from your own files, and fine-tuning the timing and volume so it supports your visuals without overpowering them. Start by opening your design in Canva. Once your project is on screen, look at the timeline area beneath your video. If here is background music already attached, you'll see an audio bar running along the bottom. To remove it the fast way, click that audio bar to select it. Then press the trash or delete icon. If you prefer using the context menu, right-click directly on the audio track and choose Delete Track. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural to you. Removing the track doesn't affect your video clips. It simply clears the background music so you can replace it or leave the project clean. To add fresh music, using Canva's built fade-in options, go to the Elements tab. Scroll down until you reach the audio section, or use the search field to find a style that fits your vibe. When you've found a track you like, click it to add it or drag it straight onto your project. It will appear as a new audio bar on the timeline, aligned with your video. If you want to use your own music, head to the Uploads tab and select the audio option. Upload your file from your device, and when it's ready, drag it onto your design. Just like Canva's tracks, it will land on the timeline as an audio bar. Once your track is in place, you can adjust how it sits in your edit. Click and drag the audio bar left or right to change where the music starts. If you only want a portion of a song, use the split tool to cut the track and remove the sections you don't need, keeping the part that best matches your visuals. For balance, adjust the volume so the music complements any dialogue or voiceover. Lower levels keep speech clear while still adding energy and polish. You can apply these adjustments to keep the mood consistent from start to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.